I'm Laura and I'm a staff nurse working in the emergency surgical unit in University Hospital Galway. After I graduated from NUI Galway, I knew I wanted to work in University Hospital Galway. It is a very busy level 4 hospital with a significant array of specialities. It serves people of the Northwest and West of Ireland. I love working in the emergency surgical unit as I have gained great knowledge and experience there. I have also great colleagues who've been very supportive and I've made great friendships too. I look forward to furthering my professional career with our academic partner NUI Galway. Galway is a beautiful city, there's so much to do and we have wonderful beaches to see. It's a great place to live as there's a great quality of life here.